In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneNote for Project Management 2026. We'll turn OneNote into a clear, flexible hub that keeps projects organized, tasks visible, and meetings actionable. Start by opening your notebook in OneNote and setting up a simple structure. Think of a notebook as your main workspace, sections as individual projects, and pages as the working documents inside each project. For example, you might have a notebook called Project Management, a section for a specific client or initiative, and pages like Task List, Content Plan, and Meeting Notes. Keep names short and consistent so you can scan quickly and always know where things live. Next, build a lightweight task system with tags. Type each task on its own line, then apply a to-do tag with Ctrl+1. As work progresses, switch items to in progress, mark them completed when they're done, and use an urgent tag to highlight time-sensitive work. Using the same tags across pages keeps everything easy to sort and review, no matter where the task originated. Create a project dashboard page inside each section. This is your control center. Add a brief overview, the primary goals, key deadlines or milestones, links to important files or pages, and a short task summary. Place this page at the top of the section so it becomes your default landing spot whenever you open the project. Speed up navigation with internal links. Right-click any page, choose Copy Link to Page, and paste that link into your dashboard under the right heading. Link out to your task list, content plan, and meeting notes so you can jump around in one click and avoid digging through sidebars. For meetings, dedicate a meeting notes page. Use a simple template. Date at the top, then agenda, notes, and a list of action items. As soon as action items appear, tag them as to do so. They show up alongside the rest of your work. This turns conversations into clear next steps and keeps decisions easy to find later. When you need a bird's eye view, go to Home, then Find Tags. This gathers all your tagged items across pages and sections, grouped by tag or location. It functions like a built-in task manager, letting you filter, sort, and jump straight to the source page. Finally, run a quick weekly review. Scan your to-do tags, update anything now in progress or completed, and clean up finished tasks. Refresh priorities on your dashboard so the coming week starts focused and ready. And that's the workflow: simple, consistent, and powerful project management inside OneNote.